happened. The tree falling down. The wind is not strong enough. Yeah, it's stuck in that one. I'll go in here. It made a ladder fall down. I'm trying to show you. Hold on. Can you see a ladder over there? I can. It's right there. It blew down that ladder. I did not know Marley would come right out of nowhere. She was by the front, the side. And it made that thing. It would be like a seat place in the dirt. I think it made that tree branch fall down. Those are like in case rain makes like floods the backyard. It would go like right where the door is. It is so windy. Time to show me. Okay, let's see if I'm a good camera person that videotapes yourself. Hi! If you could see me, I'm good at videotaping. That's weird. Yeah, if the wind could like blow down a person, then I would definitely not go outside, but that won't happen. Oh my gosh, it looks so bad. If my brother is riding out here, outside, it just made a branch fall. If you guys saw that, comment down below. What the heck was that? I'm gonna go outside. What was that? Was that a branch? Did it fall down? What is the branch? Oh, it made that fall down. I'll just put this to the side, isn't it? Hi, Monday. Did it actually make that fall down? Oh my god. Or did my dad do that? I'm barefoot. Branch better not fall down when I'm out here. It made that fall. Oh, it's Benny Boo, it's Bentley. Marley. Oh. Say bye. Let's see if they're okay. Oh my god. I don't want to look back there. Mia. Oh, Marley, leave her alone. Hi. Is someone putting down their trash cans, or is the trash can flying out? I have to go. Oh no, it's doggies flying everywhere. I meant running everywhere. You guys can't go. Oh my god. Mia, get in. I'm sorry, everyone. But let's put that right here. Mia, come here. Hey, come here right now. You have to go outside. You can't come. Go outside. No. I heard like a trash can. Someone's probably putting their trash cans out, which they... What is happening? for everyone. But love our pets. Wouldn't a trash can fly away? I think I'm thinking of crazy things. Please don't tell me this happened. Branch fell. Proof. The wind is... What should I call the wind? I should call it... The wind is horrifying. Everyone stay inside and don't let the tree branches hit you or rain on you. That is what is happening today. It's crazy. Doggies. Our window needs to get cleaned. Or door, I meant. Hey! Don't do that. No. Oh, too. Yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. I'm so glad I didn't say anything wrong. Bye!